Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to change Gmail password. So basically, you just need to open your Gmail as you can see on your screen. Now go to your side menu right here at the left side of your screen, and then we're going to click on this more button. And here you will find the manage labels. So click on this settings here, and then you will find this page. Now basically you'll find general labels, inbox, accounts, and imports. But what we're going to do now is click on the accounts and import. And here you will find the change account settings. So change password recovery options, and then other Google account settings. So if you would like to change your Gmail password, you just need to click on this change password. And here you just need to enter your current password. And once you've done, click on next. And finally, you can now enter your new password and confirm new password. And that's all. That's how you basically change Gmail password. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.